Welcome back to Text Nebula. Ever been in that epic moment, vibing with a text-to-speech voice that feels like the golden ticket, only to hit a paywall demanding an upgrade? I know the struggle, but fear not, because today, I've got the ultimate trick up my sleeve. Get ready to dive into the secrets of unlocking premium voiceovers for absolutely free. Let's start with Natural Reader. Install Natural Reader app from Play Store and open it. Tap on Add button to add your text for voiceovers. You get several options for that. Now let's add a text and choose a voiceover. Choose the voiceover that fits the vibe of your content, whether it's authoritative, friendly, or downright epic. Once you have selected the voiceover that fits your need, hit the play button. It will convert and play your text into your chosen voiceover.
The entire ocean was filled with plastic waste.
Okay, that's cool, you might say. Let's try to download it to use it anywhere, and just when you tap that download button,
access denied.
It's time to show you how to get that voiceover without upgrading. Open Google Play Store and write Internal Audio Screen Recorder and search for that app. Install Internal Audio Screen Recorder app. Once installed, open the app. This app will ask for Display over other apps permission. Tap on Allow permission. Search for Internal Audio Screen Recorder in the list of all the applications. Select the app, then select Always. Now let's get our voiceover using Internal Audio Screen Recorder. Open the app and select the type of recording. As we want only the audio, select the audio and start audio recording. Once the recording starts, head over to Natural Reader app and hit the play button again.
The entire ocean was filled with plastic waste.
The Internal Audio Screen Recorder will record the internal audio without any background noise, and you will get clean audio of your chosen voiceover. Let's play that voiceover now and see if we got our desired results.
The entire ocean was filled with plastic waste.
How cool was that? No need to upgrade, right? Enjoy, my friends. In Internal Audio Screen Recorder, you can rename your audio files for convenience. This will save you a lot of time if you are doing voiceover for a large video file. This way you can easily find your audio files and use it later for your project. Now, before we move on to next TTS demo, don't forget to give the video thumbs up and subscribe the channel if you haven't already, for such awesome tips and tricks. Next, I will show you to do it in Speechify app. Install the Speechify app from Google Play Store. After all set up, write your text and choose your desired voiceover. Use the same technique.
The oceans are filled with plastic waste.
Start audio recording in Internal Audio Screen Recorder and play the TTS in Speechify. The app will record the entire voiceover. Again, for convenience, rename the audio file. Let's play that voiceover to find out if we are getting the desired results.
The oceans are filled with plastic waste.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.